Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Okay, so to create a WhatsApp backup we need to open up our app first, and once we are here, now we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner, and now we can click on the settings. Now we need to click on the chats, now click on chat backup. And now in here, under the Google account, we have our Google account that we are currently logged in. And on that account, the backup will be made and stored. So remember about it. Because if you want to restore your backup in the future, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account on your device. So it is crucial and you can forget about it. Also, if you are interested in, you can click on Add Account to add another account on which you want to make the backup. And if you don't have an account, you can create it right in here by clicking on this button. Alright, below we all have the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but as you can see we have other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup. So currently it is on the weekly because I have set it. And basically that means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's really convenient and comfortable option, and I suggest you should also select one of those options. Okay, now below we have mode to include the videos in our backup. If you enable it right in here, you can see below that 1 megabyte will be, in my case, will be backed of the videos. Also on the bottom of the screen we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, and once everything is selected right in here, click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start, so let's wait a little bit. It shouldn't take much time because I don't have that many messages. Okay, now we can see above the backup button that the last backup was made at 4 PM, like 3 seconds ago, and below we also have its size. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.